Hi students.
Hi madam.
Okay, so last episode we learned how to make use of how to talk about our daily routine and to talk about our hobbies, habits and everything. So do you remember, can you tell me some of the points, whatever you remember in the last episode?
Okay.
I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. So where do we make use of simple present tense? అంటే ఎక్కడెక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తాం?
So use for daily routines.
ఓకే, సో డైలీ రొటీన్ అంటే మనము రెగ్యులర్గా చేసేది, అంటే మన దినచర్య గురించి చెప్పేటప్పుడు మనము సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తాము. సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్కి స్ట్రక్చర్ ఏంటి?
Subject and V1.
ఓకే, సో V1 ఎక్కడ ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్స్కి V1 యూజ్ చేస్తాము?
I, we, you. we, you, they.
ఐ, వి, యూ అండ్ దే. ఓకే, సో డోంట్ కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ప్లూరల్, ఎందుకంటే ఐ అనేది సింగులర్ కాబట్టి. సో విత్ ఐ, వి, యూ అండ్ దే వీ మేక్ యూజ్ ఆఫ్ V1 ఫార్మ్. Okay, so example is as Hariprasad has told us. Okay, so I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so we make use of for our daily routine. Okay, so can you come up with some more examples like this? I go to temple, right?
I go to office
I go to office. At what time do you go to office?
9 a.m.
Okay, so complete sentence, answer in complete sentence.
I go to office at 9 a.m.
Okay, that's right. Okay, I go to office at 9 a.m. Next.
I drink tea at 7 o'clock.
I drink tea at 7 o'clock. Okay, so this is talking something about her habit. She has the habit of taking tea in the morning, so that we can say that making use of in simple present tense. Okay, so I take tea in the morning. Okay, so others?
I write diary every day.
I write diary every day. Okay, so when do you write diary? At night time or in the morning?
Night.
At night. Okay,
I read newspaper daily.
I read newspaper daily, right? Okay,
I have
so
non-veg on Sundays.
I have non-veg on Sundays, right? Okay, so at the same time, like he has told that one, okay, so I have non-veg on Sundays. Okay, so we can also say the sentence, I eat non-veg on Sundays. If you want to say that, okay, so if you start the sentence with he, what should be the verb?
He eats.
Yes.
Eats.
Exactly. Okay, so he eats non-veg on Sundays. Okay, so with he, she and it, we have to add s or es to the V1 form. So this is the thing which we learnt in the last session. సో మనము అంటే మన అలవాట్ల గురించి కానీ, మన అభిరుచుల గురించి కానీ, లేకపోతే మనం రోజు చేసే పనులు, లేకపోతే రిపీటెడ్గా చేసే యాక్షన్స్ గురించి చెప్పేటప్పుడు V1 ఫామ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాము. V1 అండ్ V1 ప్లస్ SRES. సో సబ్జెక్ట్ ఏదైతే సబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంటుందో ఆ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్రకారం దాన్ని V1 కానీ V1 ప్లస్ SRES ఫామ్ కానీ యూజ్ చేస్తాము. సో దాంట్లో ఇవాళ మనము నెగిటివ్స్ ఎలా చెప్పాలి అంటే, మనం రోజు చేసే పనుల గురించి చెప్పాలంటే V1 యూజ్ చేస్తాము. లేదు మాకు ఇది చేసే అలవాటు లేదు అని చెప్పాలంటే ఏ విధంగా చెప్తాము, అది అంటే సేమ్ సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్లోనే నెగిటివ్ ఫామ్స్ చెప్పాలంటే ఎలా చెప్తాము, దాని స్ట్రక్చర్ ఏంటి అనేది ఇవాళ మనం తెలుసుకోబోతున్నాం అనమాట. సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్. సో ఇన్ సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్ టు టాక్ అబౌట్ ద నెగిటివ్స్ అండ్ ఆల్, okay, so Uma, you have told that when you read newspaper, do you read English newspaper or do you read Telugu newspaper?
I am reading Telugu newspaper.
Okay, so you read Telugu newspaper. Okay, so you like for example, if we want to say something about that. Okay, so you read Telugu newspaper but you don't read English newspaper. Okay, so I read Telugu newspaper but I don't read English newspaper. So if you want to say something about I, at the same time with I, we, you and they, we make use of don't plus V1. So we make use of with I, we, you and they, don't plus V1. Okay, at the same time the things which you don't do. I gave you an example, I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, I wake up early. But regularly, that means on your working days, I wake up at 5, but on Sundays, I don't wake up at 5. I wake up at 6 o'clock, I wake up late. I don't wake up early on Sundays. I don't wake up early on Sundays. So give me some of the examples, the things which you don't do.
I don't eat non-veg on Thursdays.
That's good. Okay, I don't eat non-veg on Thursdays. I don't eat non-veg on Thursdays. You don't drink milk. What do you drink in the morning? You drink tea, but you don't drink milk. Okay. I don't drink milk. Okay, so next.
I don't I don't go office on Sundays.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, I don't go to office on Sundays. Okay. So rest of the students, I hope you have understood. With I, it is don't plus V1 form. We have to make use of V1 form with I. Okay, so give some examples.
I don't go by bus.
You don't go by bus. Okay, then how do you go?
I go by bike.
Okay, so I go on my bike. Okay, so for two-wheeler we have to say that one, on bike. Okay, so I go to office on my bike. Okay, so the things which you don't do. And you have talked about yourself, that means talking about I. So can you give me some examples with we and they?
We don't come late to VIOL.
That's good. Okay, we don't come late to VIOL.
We don't have classes on TTS days.
We don't come late to VIOL. Okay, VIOL means Vivekananda Institute of Languages, talking about our institute. Okay, so we don't.
We don't have classes on Sundays.
Okay, we don't have classes on Sundays, right? Sunday is a holiday for us, so we don't have classes on Sundays. Okay, so next.
You don't speak Telugu in VIOL, only you speak.
Oh, that's good. Okay, so we don't speak Telugu in the class. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so maximum. Okay, we try to speak in English, we try to talk to the people in English, but we don't talk to the people in Telugu. Okay, so at home, do you speak English at home?
Sometimes it's
Sometimes you speak. With whom do you speak?
with my friends and my brother.
Okay, with your brothers you speak, you talk to them in English. Okay, so that means, okay, not only in VIOL, you are practicing outside also. It's good. Okay, so next.
We don't use mobiles in VIOL.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, so we don't use mobiles in VIOL. Okay, so next. We don't use mobiles in our classes. We don't use mobiles in our classes. Okay, so next.
We
Don't
don't
use.
waste our time.
Oh, that's good. Okay, we don't waste our time. Okay, so next.
We don't speak English at all.
We don't speak English at home. We don't speak English at home. Because usually we are comfortable with our mother tongue, so we normally talk at home with the members of the family and all. We speak only in our mother tongue.
We don't eat non-veg at all.
At home you don't eat non-veg, so you eat outside.
We are vegetarian. Madam.
Oh, you are vegetarian. But why do you want to say at home?
At home means nobody our
No, if you say that one, okay, we don't eat non-veg at home means whenever you go to restaurants, you eat non-veg. Now, some people, because they don't cook at home, they eat outside and all. So, you want to say that one, you are a vegetarian. Then say that one, I don't eat non-veg.
all of my fam.
You are talking about your members of the family. Don't say at home, we don't eat non-veg. Yes. We don't eat non-veg. We are vegetarians, we don't eat non-veg. Okay. So, next.
If we come late, they don't allow to the class.
Exactly. Who are they here?
Office boys.
Office boys, right. Okay, so talking about the management or our institute people and all that one. Okay, so they don't allow latecomers. So you are talking about, okay, so office boys don't allow latecomers. The same sentence if I want to give, we don't allow The students, those who come late. We don't allow latecomers. If I want to say if I want to give this sentence, then automatically in the place of they, so I change it into we and we make use of we don't. Okay, so next.
We don't come late to the class.
We don't come late to the class. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so we don't come late to the class. Okay, so next.
They don't have manners.
They don't have manners. Okay.
You don't take breakfast early morning.
You don't take breakfast early morning. Why? Do you have breakfast in the class only?
Early morning is up to 6.
Okay, so before 6 o'clock, before coming to class and all that one, you don't take your breakfast. So after you finish your class, you take breakfast. But you should have breakfast in the morning. Okay, so these days doctors are also saying that one, have breakfast in the morning. So you have learned that one, how to make use of the negative forms. That means making use of don't plus V1. Now we'll see how to make use of negative forms with doesn't plus V1. That is with he, she, it or any name. Then use of doesn't plus V1. So making use of doesn't plus V1 and all. So you have talked about yourself. Now you have talked about yourself, and you also have talked about our office boys, and you have talked about your members of the family. Now you give examples with he, she and it or with any name. Talk. Yeah.
Actually, in a simple present yesterday class, I, we, you, they plus V1.
Yes.
He, she, it plus V1 plus CS, VS.
Yes or yes form.
So ikkada he, she, it name ki doesn't plus V1, VS, CS రాదండి.
Okay. So it's a good question because this is the mistake normally students also make. So S or ES form, it comes only in present, that means positives. Okay, so with I, we, you and the S form, S or ES form comes. So that ES form we are making use of it because with I, we, you and they we are making use of do. And we are adding ES form here. So దీని తర్వాత we have to make use of only V1 form. ఇక్కడ S form కానీ ES form కానీ you should not add. So if you say that one, okay, so V1 plus S or ES if you add, okay, so this is a mistake here, the wrong thing. Okay, so ES form ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ V1 ఫామే వస్తుంది మీకు. సో V1 plus S or ES form రాదు. అందుకే doesn't go, doesn't wake up. Okay, so then doesn't read in this way. So now you give examples about your members of the family. What does your
My sister doesn't like eat mango.
okay, my sister doesn't like to eat mangoes. Doesn't like mangoes. My sister doesn't like mangoes. My sister doesn't like mangoes. So make a note of this. No S form or ES form here. It is only V1. Here we are using only V1 form.
Ramu doesn't eat non-veg.
Okay. So because earlier Ramu gave a sentence that one. Okay, he is a vegetarian. So now if you want to say Ramu sentence and all, Ramu doesn't eat non-veg. Okay. So next.
She doesn't prepare well, so yeah, he does not write exam well.
She, okay, so the meaning of the sentence is she doesn't prepare well. Ante baga prepare kaadu, eppudu kaadu. Do you want to say that, or are you talking about a particular exam?
Particular exam.
Then for a particular exam you have to say that one, she did not prepare well and she didn't write well. So ikkada enti manam, because we are making use of doesn't is for the always regular actions. My mother reads Telugu newspaper. She doesn't read English newspaper. My mother reads Telugu newspaper, but she doesn't read English newspaper. అంటే తనకి రెగ్యులర్గా తెలుగు న్యూస్ పేపర్ చదువుతారు, బట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ న్యూస్ పేపర్ చదవరు. సో బికాస్ యాజ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టోల్డ్ యూ దట్ వన్ ఇన్ పాజిటివ్ సెంటెన్సెస్ మనం అంటే రెగ్యులర్ యాక్షన్స్కి రిపీటెడ్ యాక్షన్స్కి ఎలా యూజ్ చేస్తామో, నెగిటివ్స్లో కూడా మనం జనరల్గా చేయని పనుల గురించి చెప్పాలి. సో మీరు అన్నట్టుగా అంటే ఒక సెంటెన్స్ లేకపోతే లాస్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్ సరిగా ప్రిపేర్ కాలేదు, అందుకే సరిగా రాయలేదు, దానికంటే మీరు మామూలుగా తను ఎప్పుడు ఏది చేయదు అనే విషయాల గురించి చెప్పేటప్పుడే ఈ సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్ నెగిటివ్ ఫార్మ్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, సో గివ్ సమ్ సెంటెన్సెస్.
My mother doesn't know English.
ఓకే, మై మదర్ డజంట్ నో ఇంగ్లీష్. Doesn't know English. My mother doesn't watch movies. What does she watch? Does she watch TV? What? Only serials. Okay. My mother doesn't watch movies. Okay, she watches serials, she doesn't watch movies. Do you watch serials? Answer in complete sentence.
I doesn't watch it. I don't watch it.
Exactly. Okay, so with I, because we have to make use of I don't watch serials, I watch movies. Okay, so give a sentence.
My brother does not talk often to me.
He doesn't talk often to me. Okay, so fine, weekly once. He doesn't talk to me every day. He doesn't call me every day. Is he here or is he here in Hyderabad? He is in Bangalore and he doesn't talk to you every day. Okay, so next.
My brother doesn't wake up early.
That's good. Okay, so you wake up early, I wake up early. Okay, but my brother doesn't wake up early. Okay, so fine. At what time does he wake up?
He wake up at 8 o'clock.
He,
Wake up at 8 o'clock.
instead of wake up, correct that.
Wakes up.
Wakes up
He wakes up at 8 o'clock. My brother doesn't wake up early. He wakes up at 8 o'clock. Okay. So, some more sentences.
She doesn't drink tea.
She doesn't drink tea. Right. Okay. She doesn't drink tea.
My old mobile doesn't work well.
No, you cannot say that. Because maybe you must have thrown your old mobile. It didn't work well, I think. So, because of that, you bought another one, I think.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. So, you cannot use it.
Okay.
So, as I have told you that one, these are used for the regular actions. So, you have to talk about regularly and try to make use of it. Yesterday, that means in the last class I told you, it is used for animals, for vehicles, for things, non-living things, exactly. So, if you say that one, some of the trains, usually we say that one, okay, so and so train doesn't come on time. The train doesn't come on time. Or you can also say that one if you want to say something about a super fast express. It doesn't stop. Ours is a small village. It doesn't stop. Okay, so at this station. Then,
My uncle have one pet.
okay, my uncle,
Have one pet.
instead
It
of have,
has.
yes.
My uncle has one pet.
Okay, my uncle has a pet. Okay,
It doesn't eat non-veg.
it doesn't eat. Okay, my uncle has a pet, it doesn't eat non-veg. It eats pedigree and all that one, it doesn't eat non-veg. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so and you can also say that one, whenever we go to some of the places, if a dog barks, okay, so people, they say, it barks but it doesn't bite. You need not worry, you can enter the house. It doesn't bite. The dog doesn't bite. Okay, so next. So in some, can you give me some more examples?
My bike doesn't break down so far.
No, so far you cannot use with simple present tense because so far you have to make use of in present perfect tense. My bike doesn't trouble me. It doesn't trouble me and all that one. Okay, so with so far it is not suitable. Okay, or you can also say that when talking about gearless vehicles don't give more mileage. All scooty or etc. and all that one don't give more mileage. At the same time, like you can say that one fancy cars, okay, costly cars also don't give more mileage and all. So then you can say that one. So there, if you are talking about the plural form, then we have to make use of don't. If you are talking about singular form, you have to make use of doesn't. Okay, so whenever we talk about unnecessarily, okay, so just now we have discussed about how to make use of it. So we have a family doctor. He doesn't write for the tests unnecessarily. అంటే అవసరం లేకుండా జనరల్గా ఇప్పుడు ఏ డాక్టర్స్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళినా కూడా ఇమీడియట్గా మనం వెళ్ళగానే టెస్ట్లు రాస్తారు. సో unnecessarily he doesn't write for the tests. Okay, so now you have learned how to make use of don't and doesn't. Don't is used with I, we, you and they, and doesn't is used with he, she and it. So the simple thing is, whenever you want to change, if you have V1 form, it is don't plus V1, and if you have V1 plus S form or ES form, then you have to make use of doesn't plus V1. Okay, so in this way you can frame negative sentences. So in the next class we'll come to know how to make use of question forms, how to ask questions making use of simple present tense. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.
Thank you, madam.